Hello YouTube friends, I'm out here at Choccolocco Park. Can't walk around it today. I'm about to show you why. It is flooded. We had so much rain this whole week and it's flooded this park. I'm going to turn the camera around so y'all know. Choccolocco Park with the pavilions underwater, both of them. And it is way out there. God. I saw it on Facebook and I had to come out here and see it for myself. Whoa. Man, they got it closed off though. Can't walk down there to it, but you can stand right up here and see it. Wow. That's a lot of water. There it is. See that little bridge right out there? You can barely make it out. I mean, the whole dang gum track is flooded. There's our way on the end of the property and all this stuff. Yeah, I guess I won't be walking out here for a little bit. Well, like I said, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.